name is Asami. I am a flamenco dancer based in Spain. If you don't know about me, Malaga Flamenco Benalmádena in Andalusia. I'm from originally Japan and I came here because I fell in love with flamenco. I'm sharing these videos on my channel because anyone can dance flamenco, and if you want to be a professional, you can be, and if you want to dance for fun, you will be. That's what I want to share because I started late and I know a lot of people have this kind of issues. It's got to be Spanish, you know. I know because I have friends and me myself as well been through that. Compas is for alegría, blelias, soleá, jaleo, or fandango, a lot of things in flamenco. So once you have this, you will get. Do you remember how to count? We're gonna look at as well in Spanish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, until there. But first, I'm gonna do a footwork, and we're gonna look at 3 hands together. We're gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna count in English, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the basic thing. I'm gonna do super slow so anyone can get it. That goes 1, 2, okay? To the right. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, front and front. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ole! Okay, in Spanish count, because a lot of you guys might be wondering what is that count, you know? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the compas, 12 compas. And accent is it's like 1, 2. Spanish people count like this. 1, 2, not 11, 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the accent. I'm gonna do it in a different video with the details so you will master it. That's the count. Again, one more time. 1, 2, accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in Spanish, count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6. In previous video as well, I've explained about that. So I'm just gonna count to the 10. And remember, in Spain, Spanish people, not Spain, flamenco people, count 11, 12 as 1, 2. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the accent one more time in the whisper, the bees around here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole! Okay, so normally it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's why you get confused, because it's a number that it's important to know. It's not difficult. We just need to do it in the right way. Numbers, count, and it's gonna fit into what we do. I mean, with our body, you know? Okay, so we're gonna count in Spanish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna do it with arm. Okay, so arm goes here. We're gonna do it really slowly because it can be complicated or confusing for the first time or for beginner. Well, normally we're gonna move like this, hands as well, but we're gonna do it because it's a basic. But today I'm gonna just put the fingers. Don't move until you get confidence. All right, comfortable. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's ahora vamos a hacer en Spanish. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't remember the rib? It's got up, not like this, okay? Stomach in and up. Can you see the difference, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now I'm gonna do the marcaje to the front. Okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And together. And now this is a really, really basic one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the front. Da, 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 7, 8, 9. Remember? When we go to the center, and it's this. Okay? So right foot and go down. And we're gonna change to the left. And so it comes like this and the center. And again. Right go down and up. Left go down Yeah. So basically what we have learned, this one, and we're just gonna put our feet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, Now here, the down, 6, 2, 1. I want to see your hips moving. It's not this, okay? We are female. So we're gonna move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip, make sure that we move hips. Cadera. Vamos allá. Pa, pa, pa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1. We're gonna go back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. If you can do a little bit of a finger movement, now we're going to do complete. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the front. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you for watching. How did you feel? Do you feel comfortable? Do you want to see more hands, or do you want to see a different kind of things? What is it that you don't get right? Write comments, and the next one I'm thinking to do a sevillanas, because what I learned when I started was sevillanas after marcaje and the basic movement of the warming up, and after sevillanas. The people who never done flamenco, I really recommend to do sevillanas. Will understand more, and it is the friendly entrada for people who doesn't have the flamenco environment. Like for example, Jaime is Spanish, but any flamenco is from Andalusia, and Andalusia not everyone, for only people who like flamenco family. And he started from sevillanas as well, so you get the basic things. And even Colombo, our teachers say that if you don't have the basic, it's good to start from there. I'm gonna show you this sevillanas, the step. Sevillana step actually comes to like, you know, brilliant step and things like that. So if you want to learn with me, and don't miss, write the comments and hit the button, and we're gonna be flamencas.